Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then begin repair steps immediately. You need at least 20% free disk space, make a quick restore point, and back up critical files. Once done, plug the laptop into power and ensure a stable internet connection so downloads don't fail. Note the exact update error code shown. It guides the next steps. Now open Settings, right arrow Update and Security and pause updates. Then run Windows Update Troubleshooter to capture initial diagnostics before deeper actions. Once the troubleshooter has run, you reset update components manually to clear corruption. Open an elevated command prompt and stop userv, bits, and crypts so files can be changed. This prevents locks. Next, rename software distribution and cacheroute 2 to force Windows to rebuild update cache. This removes bad metadata. After that, restart the services and run sfc/scano to repair system files. Then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. These steps remove persistent update. Now you attempt installation again and finish the repair. Make sure services are running, then check Windows Update and install pending updates. Monitor progress and reboot when prompted. If updates still fail, download the Media Creation tool and perform an in-place upgrade to replace faulty components without losing data. If that also fails, reboot into safe mode and try the update or installer. This isolates third-party interference. Troubleshooting tip: if an error persists, note the new error code and search only for
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.